Welcome to the Specialty Products installation and adjustment video for the part number 67289 Honda Acura rear adjustable 5-arm set. These 5 adjustable arms replace all the stock arms on each side of the rear suspension on the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord and the 2004 to 2008 Acura TSX. When installed properly, they will adjust rear camber, toe, setback, track width, and wheelbase. It is important to make initial measurements as a reference. This can be done manually by marking specific components and measuring to a body or a frame point. But the preferred method would be to use modern alignment equipment that will display axle and wheelbase dimensions. Failure to keep measurements centered and symmetrical may cause poor handling conditions and tire wear. Remove one arm at a time and match up the stock arm to its adjustable replacement arm. Even though the arms have a corrosion-resistant coating, if there is concern about corrosion because of environment, anti-seize may be applied to the threads of the control arms. The upper center arm has a ball joint stud on the outer end. The upper rear arm is longer with a saddle on one end. The bottom front arm has a saddle on one end and an attachment point for the park brake cable. The lower center and lower rear toe arm are the same, but the rear toe arm comes with a replacement inner toe bolt. As you can see, adjustment range is large and varied depending on the desired outcome, and adjusting one arm has an effect on the other arms. Adjusting all the arms equally can increase or decrease track width. Adjusting the upper, rear, and lower front arms will rotate the hub and or change wheelbase. Adjusting the upper and lower center arms will mainly affect camber. The rear lower arm adjusts rear toe. This arm set is capable of extreme adjustments for camber, toe, setback, and wheelbase. Make sure angles are symmetrical from side to side. Also, when the arms are adjusted correctly, there should be no excessive binding in the bushing ends of the arms. Here is an illustration of vehicle symmetry measurements using modern alignment equipment. This illustration shows how the vehicle symmetry should look after adjustment. You can see that the setback and axle offset are close to zero, and the track width is equal on both sides. Also, the wheelbase is checked for equal measurements on each side. This illustration shows the basic alignment angles set to OE specifications. Modifying these settings for performance or aesthetics is the responsibility of the vehicle owner. In conclusion, be aware that with the unlimited style of adjustment of these arms, not only should basic alignment angles be monitored, but vehicle symmetry should be correct for proper handling and drivability. When adjustment is complete, torque all fasteners to specifications while vehicle is at ride height. Tighten the adjuster sleeve lock nuts on all of the arms. Complete the alignment and road test the vehicle.